The 2026 Chevrolet Nomad Hellcat is an intriguing and groundbreaking vehicle that has captured the attention of car enthusiasts around the world. In this video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about this powerful and highly anticipated performance car. From its design to the engine specifications, to the driving experience, we'll cover all the details that make the Nomad Hellcat a standout in Chevrolet's lineup. Let's start with the basics. When you first see the 2026 Chevrolet Nomad Hellcat, you know you're in for something special. It's a bold, aggressive car, built for performance, but with enough styling cues to let you know it isn't just another muscle car. The exterior is a beautiful mix of sleek, aerodynamic lines and muscular curves, making it clear this car is designed for speed but also to turn heads. The front fascia is a study in aggressive design. A wide grille dominates the front, flanked by sharp, angular LED headlights. The Hellcat badge, prominently placed, signals to onlookers that this car is not just a Nomad, it's a powerhouse of performance and heritage. The sculpted hood with functional vents adds to the aggressive styling while also improving airflow for optimal engine cooling. The car's stance is low and wide, which gives it an almost predatory look, making it ready to strike at any moment. Moving to the side profile, the Nomad Hellcat has a coupe-like silhouette that blends seamlessly into the rear of the vehicle, where you'll notice a bold rear diffuser and quad exhaust outlets. These aren't just design features, they're engineered to maximize performance. The rear end is as muscular as the front, with wide haunches and a sleek design that suggests speed even when the car is at a standstill. One of the most striking things about the 2026 Chevrolet Nomad Hellcat is the use of lightweight materials. Chevrolet has pushed the envelope by using carbon fiber and aluminum in key areas of the body and chassis, shedding pounds and improving the car's power-to-weight ratio. This is particularly important when you consider the kind of engine that powers this beast. Speaking of power, let's talk about the engine. Under the hood of the 2026 Chevrolet Nomad Hellcat sits the legendary 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 engine. This powerhouse produces an astonishing 807 horsepower and 707 pound-feet of torque. These figures make the Nomad Hellcat one of the most powerful muscle cars on the road today, taking its performance to a whole new level. The engine is paired with a state-of-the-art 8-speed automatic transmission, which offers rapid, seamless gear shifts that let the driver harness every ounce of power. Of course, the car features rear-wheel drive, giving it the perfect balance of traction and power delivery for maximum performance. But it's not just about raw power. The Nomad Hellcat is designed to handle that power with precision. Chevrolet has implemented a fully independent suspension system, ensuring that the car not only accelerates like a rocket but also handles corners with remarkable agility. The suspension is paired with high-performance tires, ensuring grip and stability even at high speeds. This means that when you get behind the wheel, you'll feel the car's connection to the road, and every twist and turn will be met with confidence. One of the areas where the Nomad Hellcat really shines is in braking performance. Chevrolet has equipped this vehicle with massive Brembo brakes, including ventilated carbon ceramic discs, to ensure the car can stop just as quickly as it accelerates. With this kind of braking system, you can feel confident pushing the car to its limits, knowing that it can handle any situation, whether you're taking a high-speed run down the highway or navigating tight corners on a back road. Inside, the 2026 Chevrolet Nomad Hellcat continues the theme of performance and luxury. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a digital dashboard that displays everything you need to know about the car's performance, including real-time data on engine output, lap times, tire pressures, and more. The center console is minimalistic yet functional, with controls for climate, media, and performance modes all within easy reach. The seats are sport-oriented, designed to hold you in place during aggressive driving, yet they're surprisingly comfortable for longer trips. Chevrolet has taken great care to ensure that the Nomad Hellcat doesn't just perform well but also provides a premium driving experience. The cabin is equipped with leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, and advanced technology that blends seamlessly into the design. There's a state-of-the-art sound system that ensures your driving experience is just as pleasurable when cruising as it is when you're pushing the car to its limits. Speaking of technology, the 2026 Chevrolet Nomad Hellcat is equipped with the latest in car tech, including a high-resolution touchscreen display that serves as the hub for the vehicle's infotainment system. It supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and offers real-time navigation, allowing you to stay connected even on the go. The system also includes advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features don't just make the car safer, they also improve the overall driving experience, ensuring that you're always in control, whether you're on a racetrack or a crowded city street. Let's not forget the sound. One of the hallmarks of the Hellcat brand has always been its distinct engine note, and the 2026 Chevrolet Nomad Hellcat is no exception. The supercharged V8 produces a spine-tingling growl that only intensifies as the revs climb. The exhaust system is tuned for performance, with a deep, throaty roar that lets everyone around know exactly what kind of car you're driving. It's a sound that embodies power, excitement, and speed, and it's sure to make your heart race every time you hit the gas. But how does the Nomad Hellcat drive? Well, it's nothing short of exhilarating. The car's performance is immediate and thrilling, with acceleration that pins you to the seat. The supercharged V8 provides an insane amount of torque, making it feel like the car has an endless supply of power, and that's even before you hit the track. The 8-speed automatic transmission ensures that gear shifts are lightning fast, and the car's handling is incredibly sharp, allowing you to carve through corners with precision. Whether you're taking it to the drag strip or winding through mountain roads, the Nomad Hellcat offers a driving experience like no other. Of course, all of this performance doesn't come without a price. The 2026 Chevrolet Nomad Hellcat is not a car for the faint of heart or the budget-conscious. It carries a premium price tag, but for those who are looking for a car that delivers everything in terms of power, design, and driving experience, it's well worth the investment. If you're a driving enthusiast who craves both luxury and performance, the Nomad Hellcat offers an unbeatable combination. In terms of competition, the 2026 Chevrolet Nomad Hellcat goes toe-to-toe with some of the best in the muscle car segment. Whether it's the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, or the upcoming electric performance vehicles, the Nomad Hellcat proves that Chevrolet is not only keeping up with the competition but is continuing to push the boundaries of what's possible in the performance car world. There's also something to be said about the legacy of the Nomad name. The original Chevrolet Nomad was introduced in 1955 as a two-door station wagon, and while the 2026 Nomad Hellcat has little in common with its ancestors in terms of design or function, it pays homage to the spirit of innovation and daring that Chevrolet embodied with that classic car. The Hellcat version of the Nomad is a modern-day interpretation of what performance enthusiasts crave, combining cutting-edge technology, exceptional engineering, and an unforgettable driving experience. As we look to the future, the 2026 Chevrolet Nomad Hellcat represents a bold leap forward in automotive design and performance. It's a car that combines the best of both worlds, classic muscle car heritage and the latest in cutting-edge technology. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie looking for the ultimate thrill on the road or simply someone who appreciates exceptional engineering, the Nomad Hellcat delivers on every front. Chevrolet's decision to bring back the Nomad nameplate with such an extreme performance variant shows the company's commitment to pushing the limits of what's possible in the automotive world. And with the 2026 Chevrolet Nomad Hellcat, they've created a car that truly lives up to the hype, a car that's fast, ferocious, and fun to drive. So, whether you're a longtime Chevrolet fan, a muscle car aficionado, or simply someone looking for a car that offers thrills and performance at every turn, the 2026 Chevrolet Nomad Hellcat should be at the top of your list. It's not just a car, it's a statement that Chevrolet is back at the top of the performance car game, and they're not going anywhere anytime soon. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2026 Chevrolet Nomad Hellcat. If you're as excited about this car as we are, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about its design, performance, and features? Would you drive one? Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more automotive content, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on the latest cars and technology. Thanks for watching.